If you need to remove a card from your Orange 2026 account, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Orange 2026 website or app and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to payment methods. Once loaded in, locate the section labeled Payment Method or Billing in your account settings. This is where all your saved cards will be listed. Step 3. Select the card to remove. Find the card you wish to remove from your account. Click on it to view more details and options related to the specific card. Step 4. Choose the Remove option. Look for an option that says Remove, Delete, or Cancel next to the card details. Click on this option to initiate the removal process. Step 5. Confirm the removal. A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you are sure you want to remove the card. Confirm your choice to finalize the removal. After completing these steps, the card will be successfully removed from your Orange 2026 account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.